Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to simplify the polynomial expression. Now from the rules of algebra we know that the first priority will be given to brackets, then the priority will be given to multiplication operator, and finally the priority goes to subtraction operator. So let's begin. So we have 3a plus 2 multiplied by minus of 9a minus 4, and then we have minus of 4a plus 1. So at first we have to solve the portion which is present within the pair of brackets. So it will be 3a multiplied by minus of 9a minus 4 plus 2 multiplied by minus of 9a minus 4, and then we have minus of 4a plus 1. So 3a multiplied by minus of 9a will become minus of 27a square, then we have minus of 12a, then minus of 18a, then minus of 8, then we have minus of 4a minus 1. So minus of 27a square minus of 12a minus 18a will become minus 30a, then we have minus of 8, and then minus of 4a, then minus 1. So ultimately it will become minus of 27a square minus of 34a minus 9. Upon checking the options, we see that option C will be our required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.